Facebook custom audience or Facebook interest based audience, which one is the best for your product and your service? So look at that. That is my campaign. This campaign I ran it the 28th of July. So look at that. There are three parts is right now, and I just custom my date here. So let's select the 28th July to 5 August. So overall, look at that. My total purchase was 51, and our total result, our cost per result is 2.58. So look at that. That is my result, and I go to the jump to the my ad set level. So look at that. There are the two ad set here: my interest based ad set and our custom audience ad set. Look at that. That is my interest based audience. Landing page view is 966, and total purchase is 31, and my cost per result is 2.10 cent, and my custom audience result is the 1069 landing page, and our total purchase is only 20, and our cost per result is too high, so 3.32 cents. So just go to the my charts option. Look at that. That is my chart, and my ideal audience is 25 age to 35 age group people, and my most of the purchase behavior customer is almost a man. And I just go to my ad set level edit option. So look at that. That is my total structure, and my campaign level strategy is that is my campaign setup. I will just select my sales campaign, and that is my campaign budget only $16, and go to the my ad set level. Look at that. That is my website. The performance goal is the maximum number of conversion, and that is my data set, and that is my purchase the event. And I've used the cost per result goal, so I just put down the 2.50 cents about the Facebook, and I told Facebook, you just give me the result, give me the result around the 2.15 cents. So Facebook try to understand that, and Facebook make sure the result and my campaign, and this is my audience segment. So look at that. My maximum, my lowest maximum of the age group is 24 years, and the maximum is the 55 years old. And this is my targeting some of my product behaviors people and interest and purchase behavior people. So I just target it, and that is my placement here. Look at that. I just use some of placement, the Facebook, the Instagram, and the masses and the trade. I don't use the audience network. That is not a good placement for our. And go to the ad section. Look at that. That is my ad section. I just put down my Facebook page and my creatives. That is my landing page also, some things, and that is the primary text, headline, and the description, and that is my order now button, the CTA button also, and that is my pixel setup. So that is my interest based audience result and setup, and that is my custom audience setup. So look at that. All over the same. I just use the cost per result goal also here, and look at that. My custom audience segment, I just use the engage our Facebook page overall 180 days, almost 4 month. I just Facebook to I just create the audience, the even the past 4 month, who is the engaged on our page and who is the message on my page. So that is the two audience. I just use it, and also that is I just target the man, and our age group is 22 to a maximum the 45 years old audience. So eventually you just look at that. My both ad set level, my interest based ad set is performs more better, and my custom audience the ad set level it's quite down. So eventually you just reminded that which placement is the which audience is the best for your customer for your product. I just use my single product, my perfume product. So eventually I run the past 1 year below. So that is my total audience, custom audience is here. So I just put down my retarget their customers, and Facebook try to impression more about more, but my custom audience is not very good, so they not purchase it very quickly. But I just use the interest based audience. Facebook try to collect the new audience and present my ads the new audience segment. So Facebook try to best, and Facebook give me the better results on 31 purchase for only 2.10 cents. So I hope you can understand that what is the best audience segment for your product of your e-commerce brand. So I hope you can understand that. So it's for today. So thank you.